Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Euro NCAP released safety ratings for a range of new, but familiar branded cars entering the European market. The Dacia Duster and Suzuki Swift score 3 stars. The car manufacturer, which operates under Renault's close watch, calls the 2024 Duster a bargain, whereas Euro NCAP Secretary General, Michiel van Ratingen, suggests customers should buy something else after the safety specialist crash tested it as part of its latest session. So, how did the all-new Dacia Duster do? Quite disappointing, actually, as it scored only 3 stars out of 5. The adult and child occupant protections were rated at 70% and 84%, respectively. It scored 60% in the vulnerable road users, pedestrian category, and only 57% in the safety assist. The Suzuki Swift also scored 3 stars, and Euro NCAP's chief advises customers looking for budget-friendly cars to pick something else. Dacia's no-frills sales strategy is well known, the brand having previously shunned active safety technology in favor of affordability. Suzuki has long been a manufacturer of small, simple, and affordable cars. It then becomes no surprise that the Duster and the Swift emerge from Euro NCAP's tests with no more than 3 stars. However, legislation now insists that all cars must be equipped with autonomous emergency braking, emergency lane-keeping systems, intelligent speed limiters, and driver fatigue detection. The Duster and the Swift fulfill this obligation but do little more, despite having the technologies fitted. For active safety, Euro NCAP standards for 5-star ratings are considerably higher than those of legislation. Disappointingly, the car's occupant protection also shows limited ambitions, with similar, modest levels of adult occupant protection. For child occupant protection, Dacia's Romanian-manufactured small SUV outperforms the tiny Swift, the latter providing protection that ranges from marginal to poor in some aspects of its performance. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting car reviews, and don't forget to share your thoughts on Dacia Duster crash test results in the comments below.